Hey guys, and today I'll be showing you my Nerf guns. Here's my favorite. It's called the Hammer Shot, and it's actually the latest one I've got, even though it was like 2 months ago. Yeah, and
Why is it your favorite, buddy?
because I like it because I've never seen a pistol that could hold the scope, but except for this. Yeah. Next is the strong arm. It shoots elite darts, and it's an elite gun, and I like it because you can do this. And it's just pretty cool because it hurts, and it has 6 holders for the darts, and yeah. So, pistol. I like this one because it's just a one-shot. I like it. I don't know why I like it, but it shoots pretty far. So, yeah.
Does that one hurt?
No. It's not really much of a good gun to, like, have a bunch of ammo, but if you bring a bunch of ammo, it's pretty cool. So, next is the... Oh, it doesn't have a name. I don't know what it's called. It shoots pretty far.
You have to pump it?
Yeah. You have to cock it. I wish I had a magazine because it would be like a machine gun. You could just shoot like 100 times, and that's why I just love that one. Next is the jamming gun.
That's as big as you.
I know, even though it's super big, it jams a lot. And when you skip it, when you turn the barrel, it actually skips a dart slot, which I don't really like, but it shoots pretty far. So easy though. There. And last is the rival. This is the second latest I've got, I think. Cock it. And it really hurts when you actually get shoot with it. I got shot with it, and it really hurts.
Is that your review of all your Nerf guns?
Yeah. Bye.